हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आई एम एस मिश्रा, मैथ टीचर ऑफ एलपीएम पब्लिक स्कूल गोलाम बाजार गोरखपुर. Dear students, as you know, in the previous video I have already discussed about the topic quadrilateral. Today I will solve some problems based on the quadrilateral. In which first of all I will revise exercise 4.1, in which first of all I will revise quadrilateral. What is quadrilateral? Quadrilateral is a closed figure formed by four line segment. Four line segment is called side of quadrilateral. Now quadrilateral has four interior angles and four exterior angles, opposite angles and diagonals. If you join two opposite angles, then diagonals form. Now I already so I will revise question number 4 of exercise 4.1, in which question number 4 is three angles of a quadrilateral. Three angles of a quadrilateral measure 55 degree, 125 degree and 70 degree. Find the fourth angle. Find the fourth angle. We have to find out fourth angle. We know that sum of angles of a quadrilateral equal 360 degree. Here we have given that three angles of a quadrilateral are 55 degree, 125 degree and 70 degree. We have to find fourth angle. So fourth angle is unknown. So let us suppose that fourth angle be x. Solution of this question: let fourth angle be x degree. Let fourth angle be x degree. Now I have already told you sum of angles of a quadrilateral equal 360 degree. So now add this angle to 5 degree plus 125 degree plus 70 degree plus x degree will be equal to the 360 degree, because sum of angles of a quadrilateral equal 360 degree already told you. Now I will add these numbers: 0 plus 5 plus 5 10, 0 carry 1, 1 plus 7 8, 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 5 15, 5 carry 1, 1 plus 1 2. 250 degree plus x degree equals 360 degree. Therefore x degree equals 360 degree minus 250 degree equal 0 minus 0 will be 0, 6 minus 5 equal 1, 3 minus 2 equal 110 degree. So fourth angle will be 110 degree. Therefore fourth angle equal x degree equal 110 degree. Now next question is, now I will revise. Next question is question number 5. The angles of a quadrant are in the following ratio. Here angles given in ratio. Question number 5. The angles of a quadrilateral. The angles of a quadrilateral. The angles of a quadrilateral are in the following ratio. Are in the following ratio. Find the ratio 3:5 ratio 7:9. Find the measure of quadrilateral. Find the measure of fourth angle. Find the measure of fourth angle. We have to find the measure of the four angle. यह जो है फोर एंगल हमको फाइंड आउट करना है. एंगल का रेशियो है 3:5 रेशियो 7 रेशियो 9. Now we know that sum of angles of a quadrilateral equal 360 degree. So first of all I will find the sum of ratio. Here sum of ratio will be sum of ratio equal. First of all I will add this ratio 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9. 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9. Then it will be equal to the 9 plus 7 16, 16 plus 5 21, 21 plus 3 24. Sum of ratio equal 24. We know sum of angles of a quadrilateral equal 360 degree. So first of all I will find first angle. Therefore first angle equal 360 degree multiply 3 upon ratio of first angle is 3. So 3 upon 24. Ratio of first angle is 3 and sum of angle is 24. Therefore I will write 3 by 24. Now 3 1 is 3, 3 8 is 24. Then it will be 8 1 is 8, 8 4 is 32, 4 और 0 40, 8 5 is 40. Then it will be 45 degree. Therefore, first angle will be 45 degree. Now, second angle. Second angle we call second angle equal here ratio of second angle is 5 and sum of ratio of 24, therefore it will be 360 degree multiply 5 by 24. Now I will divide 24 by 12. 12 to the 24, 12 to the 36, 30 and 2 1 ja 2, 15 to the 30. Now I will multiply 15 multiply 5, we get 55 plus 75. Therefore second angle will be 75 degree. Now I will find third angle. Third angle we call third angle equal here ratio of third angle 7 and total is 24, therefore 360 degree multiply 7 by 24. Now I will divide, when you divide 360 by 24, 24 over 24 and 25, 4 to 3 are 15 and multiply 15 multiply 7 equal 105 degree. Therefore third angle will be 105 degree. Now we have to find out fourth angle. Ratio of fourth angle is 9. So fourth angle will be fourth angle equal 360 degree multiply 9 by 24. 24 50 ja 360 degree and 59 ja I multiply 50 by 9, we get 59 ja 135 degree. So first angle will be 45 degree, second angle will be 75 degree, third angle will be 105 degree and fourth angle will be 135 degree of the quadrilateral, which ratio is 3 ratio 5 ratio 7 ratio 9. Now I will revise next question. Next question is question number 8. Question number 8 is the four angles of a quadrilateral. The four angles of a quadrilateral the four angles of a quadrilateral are equal. The four angles of a quadrilateral are equal. Find their measure. Find their measure. Find their measure. Now, in the given question, four angles of the quadrilateral are equal. It means each angle of the quadrilateral are equal. So, suppose that each angle be x degree. Solution. Let each angle of a quadrilateral equal x degree. We know that in a quadrant 4 angles, therefore, and also we know that sum of angles of a quadrilateral equal 360 degree. So x plus x degree plus x degree plus x degree plus x degree equal 360 degree, because each angle is x degree. Now I will add x plus x plus x plus x. It will be equal to the 4x. 4x degree equal 360 degree. Therefore, x degree equal 360 degree upon 4. Now I will divide 360 by 4. Then it will be 4 on the 4, 4 9 the 36, 90 degree. So x degree equal 90 degree. So each angle of a quadrilateral, therefore each angle of a quadrilateral, each angle of a quadrilateral equal 90 degree. So if each angle of a quadrilateral is 90 degree, so quadrilateral may be rectangle or square. Now I hope that all these questions clear to you. So you can revise all these type of questions at home. Next video I will revise another type of question. Thank you so much.